Hold up, leaning a little closer. I think the work paid off like it's supposed to. Spent all this time just believing. Now we're open our arms and start receiving. Let's stop this roses. Lay back, enjoy this moment. Got a million ways to take it all in. Let's go ahead and just get lost in it. Like, ooh, think we're onto something. Ooh, think it's safe to say. Good feelings are here to stay. Our best days. Ooh, let's keep it moving. Ooh, won't hesitate. Good feelings are here to stay. Yeah, we're living our best days. Best days, best days. Best days, best days. Best days, best days. Best days, best days. Sunsets look a little bit bolder. The daylight feels a little bit warmer. And we were kids playing in the streets. And now we're sitting in the front row seats. Like, ooh, think we're onto something. Ooh, think it's safe to say. Good feelings are here to stay. We're living our best days. Ooh, let's keep it moving. Ooh, won't hesitate. Good feelings are here to stay. Yeah, we're living our best days. Best days, best days. Best days, best days. Best days, best days. Best days, best days. Yeah, we're living our best days.
Hey guys! Welcome po sa wedding namin. At ngayon papunta na ako dito sa aming room. Kasama ko yung mga abay, mga close friends.
Steady hands.
Mahal, eto na, nandito na tayo. I'm so happy na umabot na tayo sa gantong araw. Ito ang bunga ng mga pagpapanata natin. And I cannot wait to spend my eternity with you. At I hope everything goes well and I really have a big surprise for you tonight. So I'm really excited to see you with everything we've prepared for. And I love you so much.
Bro, ready ka na ba?
Oo.
Yun.
Pwede ka na mag-acting. Ano yan? Yes, mo yun yan.
Every smile photograph. Finding ways to make those moments last. Anytime when I'm with you, I'm captivated by the things you do. Come on.
Congratulations mga anak sa inyong dalawa. Paspasan ko ng Diyos. Sa sandaling ito sa inyo sa okasyon na ito.
Congratulations saya. Sa wakas natagpuan mo rin ang lalaking gusto mo. Yun lang.
You're all I need.
Justin, my love. Noodles ka ba? Kasi, lucky me.
Pansit Canton ka ba? Eh di lucky me din. Bea, si Popoy ba ako?
Bakit?
Kasi ikaw si Basha, di ba?
Kalapati ka ba?
Bakit?
Mama mo.
Dong,
Ate!
ma'am ka ba?
Bakit?
Ang sarap mong isugsog sa...
Love, you're all I need. Ooh, love, you're all.
Mahal na mahal ka namin, Son.
Oo, thank you po. Mahal ko din po kayo.
Hindi mo kaming kalilimutan.
Opo. Opo
Alam mo
naman.
na. Alam mo na. Basta ganon.
Opo.
Kasi ano iba na ang buhay mo ngayon. Kaya
Huwag mo na lang, basta lalo-lalo ng daddy mo.
I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time.
I wish you all the best, bro. At alam ko, hindi ganun kadali ang ganitong klaseng preparasyon. I'm so happy kung nasan ka man ngayon, ano man narating mo. So, happy life. And laging magpakabait. At mabait ka naman talaga.
Dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, we're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Well, baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass while listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. No, no, no. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass while listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.